Behind the massive steel doors of Turkey's high-tech industrial park, a modern war machine is born with near-silent precision. This is Turkey's newest attack helicopter factory, a symbol of national ambition that combines industrial self-sufficiency, engineering sophistication, and a long-term geopolitical vision. The attack helicopter manufacturing process begins long before the first metal is cut. The engineering team uses a three-dimensional digital design system, integrated with aerodynamic simulations and virtual load testing. Every design change can be immediately analyzed for its impact on performance, weight, and combat endurance. The helicopter's frame is constructed from a combination of lightweight metal alloys and advanced composite materials. These materials are designed to withstand extreme pressures and high temperatures, enhancing survivability against threats on the modern battlefield. The assembly process is carried out by experienced technicians, assisted by high-precision robotic arms that ensure every bolt, panel, and joint fits to microscopic tolerances. One of the most closely guarded areas of the factory is the engine and avionics system assembly line. The turboshaft engines, the heart of the helicopter, are installed in a dedicated room with strict hygiene controls. Each engine undergoes a series of tests before and after installation, ensuring optimal performance in a variety of conditions, from extreme heat to high altitudes. The helicopter's avionics system is fully digital. The cockpit is designed with a glass cockpit concept, featuring multifunction displays that display flight, navigation, and tactical data in an integrated manner. Pilots can access terrain, target, and threat information with just a few taps, or through a high-tech voice and helmet control system. One of the main advances lies in its aerodynamic design and body structure. This helicopter uses advanced composite materials that are not only lighter but also capable of absorbing radar waves, thus reducing its detection signature. The body shape, sensor placement, and panel angles are designed to minimize radar reflections. Another advancement lies in its sensor suite. This helicopter is equipped with electro-optical and infrared systems for day and night surveillance, even in adverse weather conditions. These sensors are capable of detecting, identifying, and tracking targets from long distances without being detected. Asterisk in terms of firepower. Turkey's newest attack helicopter carries a variety of modern weaponry. The front automatic cannon is designed for high stability and pinpoint accuracy. On its wing pylons, the helicopter can carry guided rockets, anti-tank missiles, and even domestically produced smart munitions. The installed fire control radar allows the helicopter to monitor multiple targets simultaneously, both in the air and on the ground. Data from various sensors is then processed by the battle management system, providing the crew with a comprehensive picture of the battlefield situation. A key advantage is the ability to integrate local weapons. By relying on domestically produced missiles and weapon systems, Turkey not only reduces its dependence on imports, but also has greater flexibility to develop and modify weaponry according to operational needs. In the modern battlefield, threats come not only from conventional weapons but also from air defense and electronic warfare systems. This helicopter is equipped with radar warning systems, missile warning systems, and active and passive electronic countermeasures. Flares and chaff can be automatically released to deceive heat-guided missiles or radar. Over the past decade, Turkey has emerged as a rising power in the global defense industry. One of the most prominent symbols of this transformation is its indigenously developed, next-generation attack helicopter. More than just an air combat tool, this helicopter represents a major leap in technology, systems integration, and the independence of the Turkish military industry. Turkey's latest attack helicopter is designed to meet the increasingly complex challenges of the modern battlefield, from asymmetric conflicts and operations to high-intensity conventional combat. Every aspect of its design reflects a focus on effectiveness, durability, and operational flexibility. Upon entering the main production area, the first impression is not of a rigid, militaristic atmosphere, but rather that of a high-tech laboratory. The factory floor is gleaming clean, filled with automated unmanned vehicles transporting large components, while giant digital screens in every corner display real-time production data. This is where Turkey's latest generation of attack helicopters are assembled, tested, and prepared for flight. The uniqueness of this factory lies in its high level of local content. Many key components, from mission software and electro-optical sensors to electronic warfare systems, are developed by domestic companies. This strategy is part of Turkey's efforts to reduce dependence on foreign suppliers and enhance its defense sovereignty. In the system integration room, various subsystems are tested to ensure they work as a whole. Sensors are tested to detect targets in day and night conditions. Communication systems are tested against electronic interference, and the entire weapon system is simulated in virtual combat scenarios. All of this is done before the helicopter actually leaves the factory floor. Before a helicopter is declared flight-ready, it must undergo a series of rigorous durability tests. Vibration, noise, and structural stress are tested to simulate real-life combat conditions. Even the pilot's seat and safety systems are tested to ensure maximum protection in an emergency. The ground test area is directly connected to the flight test facility. From here, the helicopter will make its maiden flight under the close supervision of a team of engineers and test pilots. Every flight data is recorded and analyzed, then used for further refinement. More than just an industrial facility. Turkey's newest attack helicopter factory is a strategic statement. It reflects Turkey's transformation from a user nation to a developer and manufacturer of advanced defense technology. The factory also opens up opportunities for exports, international cooperation, and strengthens Turkey's position in the global defense equipment market. Behind the roar of the engines and the gleaming composite panels lies the story of the thousands of engineers, technicians, and workers who contributed to this national project. Every helicopter that emerges from the hangar is not just a tool of war, but the result of a long-standing vision to stand alongside the world's leading military technology manufacturers. As the hangar doors open again and a new attack helicopter is slowly rolled onto the test pad, it becomes clear that this factory is more than just a production site. It is a center of innovation, a source of national pride, and a glimpse into the future of the Turkish defense industry.